Hi, good morning. This is Pramod Jaiswal from English Chronicles. Today, this is my second part of finding errors concerning non-finites. So let's speed up. I hope you would have been liking my videos and been benefited. So the first question to find errors is I made him to do the project against his wishes. You see, you have to remember the rules, not remember, but implication of the rules. Now, I made him. Here, the word made. This takes bare infinitive. This takes with made, we do not use to infinitive. So this is the error in question number 2. So the correct answer would be I made him do the project against his wishes. Now next one, second one. He denied to have been there. Now denied is a word which is followed by gerund. There are specific some words which are followed by gerund we cannot use to infinitive. So here to infinitive is incorrect. He denied having been there. He denied having been there. So these are there are certain rules which you have to remember, certain specific words as in their infinitive. There are specific words, so there are specific words which is followed by gerund. There are a specific word which is followed both by to infinitive and gerund. So you have to learn, there is no other way. So let's see question number 3. Suraj said that he would rather fail than copying in the examination. You see, would rather, I told you this also takes bare infinitive. Would rather has already taken bare infinitive, so this is correct. He would rather fail than copy. You see parallelism. This is also followed by would rather. Here it is bare infinitive. So here also it cannot take gerund. It cannot take gerund. So this is the mistake in part 3. He would rather fail than copy in the examination. Here it is bare infinitive, you cannot use ing participle or gerund. So this is the mistake you have to remember. If anyone has problem, obviously I can't ask you to. So if there is a discussion, I need some space to discuss and write it down. So question number 4. He could make them accepted his proposal. The mistake here, he could make them accepted. You see, could is past tense, could make them accepted. Very absurd. So here, once again, if the mistake is here, could make them with make, obviously, make is such a word which takes bare infinitive. So here them is accepted is incorrect. It should be make them accept his proposal because he was quite familiar with the practice. You see preposition familiar with, this is correct. You should remember the preposition as well. So next question. He being the best student of the class, Nitin was chosen to participate. Now, a typical sentence. Here, the beginning of the sentence is with pronoun, and the noun which it denotes is in the middle. The mistake is here. It should have been Nitin, either this way or the he would be totally cancelled. It can be both the way. He being, Nitin being the best student, so obviously Nitin cannot go side by side. Nitin 2 times you cannot use. So, and here it is pronoun, here it is noun. This is also mistake. So the correct answer will be nothing is here. Being the best student of the class, Nitin. Now here being refers to Nitin. Who is the best student of the class? Nitin is the best student of the class. and Nitin was chosen. So both the subjects are the same. So being here behaves as participle. I hope these are very important questions for your examination. So parallelism, not exactly parallelism. This is both the subjects should be same in case of present participle. Now next question. They wanted money to purchase certain things. They wanted money is correct. To purchase certain things is correct. For themselves and for donating. Now here they wanted money to purchase, and then second action is for donating. Here there is no parallelism. Here he has used to infinitive, and here he is using gerund. So it is incorrect. It should also be parallel with this one. That means here also to infinitive should be used. So now the structure becomes to donate. They wanted money to purchase and to donate. You read like this. They wanted money to purchase and to donate. Purchase what? Certain things for themselves and to then donate to their colleagues. Getting it? So there are variety of rules you see you have to take care of. And its application, where you apply which rule, especially in finding errors. It's not very tough, but slightly. Next question. My friend cannot afford for buying. You see, afford is such a word. Afford. This doesn't take buying. For afford, this doesn't take for. This takes to infinitive. This doesn't take for and gerund. Afford takes to infinitive. The mistake would be my friend cannot afford to buy pens this time because. So this is also correct. This time because they were very expensive. This is also correct. My friend cannot afford. This is correct. So mistake is in this part. Afford to. This is 3. No, part 2. So for buying is incorrect and to buy is correct. Next one. Children visiting the park are amused at monkeys. So children visiting the park, this is correct. Children who are visiting, to visiting is participle. Children are visiting the park and children are amused. Children are visiting the park and children are abused. You see both the same. That's why this are visiting is changed to children visiting the park are amused at the monkeys. This is also correct. Play in the cages. You see, amused at the monkeys who are playing in the cages. How will you write? At the monkeys. You will write who are playing. You cannot write who are playing. You cannot write who are playing. Now when this becomes continuous tense. Now when you are changing it to a phrase non-finite, children at the monkey playing in the cages. It will be playing in the cages. So this is present participle. Both the action taking place at the same time. They are watching, amused at the monkeys. And monkeys, what they are doing? They are playing. So that is the mistake. So last one. I asked for choice. Neha would, if asked for choice, Neha would prefer spending. Now, prefer is such a word. This is followed by gerund as well as to infinitive. So, prefer is such a word which is followed by both gerund and to infinitive. So this one is not incorrect. I asked for choice. If asked for choice, Neha would prefer to spend or prefer spending her holidays in villages. You see, always. So this is correct, no error, and this one is also correct. To spend. And more about prefer takes to infinitive to preposition prefer to. This is apart from this question. So we had a nice discussion. I hope you are benefited and you are learning a lot of things. And please, if you like and if you are being benefited, please press the logo of like, share among your friends so that they are also benefited by my dispensing of knowledge. And please subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.